How you guys doing? Sorry, I'm actually gonna buy something. I'm actually, so I've been making videos for people in Madison lately, and for like Instagram pages and stuff. I want to give you my business card. I'd be happy to do it for free for you if you want to hit me up if you have an Instagram page or a website or something, and you just want like a quick little slow motion, good looking video. I'd be happy to do it for free. Appreciate you guys. Have a good one.
Welcome to the video today. It is the long-awaited farmers market cold call rampage session. Twist immediately, it's not the farmers market. I'll explain that in the video. But forgive the messiness of my room. I'll be moving next week, so everything's out of control, but it'll get better. One disclaimer I'll say about the video is that the way this whole thing kind of went, it was pretty, very, very crowded. Some people were very busy. Obviously the popular booths had lots of people talking to them, you know, competing for attention. So some of the interactions did not end up being recorded through some fault of my own and some fault of just the situation, just the hectic nature of the whole thing. So I will say that it just kind of happened that the most promising interactions, unfortunately, were the ones that did not get captured, but that doesn't mean we didn't still capture some good ones. So the way that most of the interactions kind of went the same. I would approach them trying to figure out an angle to really relate to them, and mostly it came from, you know, asking how they got started in what they're doing, and try to get them to go a little bit deeper than the surface level conversation before I kind of opened up about what I do. And comparing the interactions that I did capture to the ones that went the best, or the ones that didn't get captured, the difference is that when I kind of flip it back to what I do and share what I do, the excitement of the people is reciprocated. A lot of these people, you can tell it's quite dull. I don't know, some of them just didn't seem to have the passion, you know, that would make them somebody really fun to work with. Of course, beggars can't be choosers, but I do think that there's a lot to take away from what we did end up capturing, and I hope you enjoy the footage. If you're new to my channel, my name is Josh, I'm 22 years old. I've got some digital marketing aspirations as well as aspirations in life to thrive and optimize every situation, to bring in abundance the things that make me happy, and I think that's a message the world needs to hear. I kind of share how I'm bringing that to everything I do. If that's interesting, really appreciate a subscribe. Let's get into the video.
Hey, how you doing? How long have you been making glass for?
34 years.
Wow, what did it start as? What was the first?
A learning curve.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, it took me about 2-3 years to get any good at it.
Did you have like a mentor or like a place that taught you?
And I got my bachelor's in glass.
Oh wow, I didn't realize there was even like a college.
There's about 12
College
across
course.
the country.
Wow.
You can get a master's in glass.
Wow, that's
So
awesome.
fun. Yeah, no, it's great. It's a good deal.
So you've been doing this full time for a while?
25 years.
Wow, that's
doing
awesome.
Art shows, galleries.
Where are like other big art shows?
Minneapolis,
All around?
Fort Worth, Miami, Louisville.
Yeah.
I travel the country.
That's awesome. I love that. Do you have a website?
No.
I've been. Do you have any kind of like? So what I do is I make videos. I just kind of. I also have a craft. I'm definitely not 35 years into it, but yeah, I'd like to. I'm just kind of making my portfolio right now.
Okay.
Just doing stuff for free. If you're ever back in the Madison area, or maybe I don't know when you're leaving, what your timeline's like, but I'd be happy to do something for free for you if you're to kind of document the craft.
Right.
I can tell you really, you know, obviously are pretty passionate about
You'd
it.
have to actually come to my studio.
Oh, for sure. Where are you actually based? Michigan. Okay.
Okay.
Cool. Well,
This is me. You can email me.
Yeah, cool.
You know, it's all good.
cool.
I don't know if I'm interested. But
Yeah, no worries.
I
I'm just kind of talking to everybody around here.
See, my daughter would be into this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I mean, just knowing, yeah, she'd be like, Dad, you gotta do it. You got, you know, that kid's.
No, sure.
She's 23. She's
Nice.
into that
New media?
Yeah.
Yeah,
so
right,
I'm
me
not
too.
I'm not on website.
Okay.
I don't want to do that.
Cool. You're obviously doing well for yourself.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do just fine.
Cool.
And so, nice
Yeah,
meeting
you too.
Yeah.
Have a good one.
Good luck to you. Bye.
Thank you. So I realized this week is not the farmer's market. It's the art fair on the square. So we're calling an audible, and we're giving our business cards to glass blowers, wood carvers, painters. Non-edible things, but still a craft nonetheless. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Very well. I'm Josh.
Scott.
Nice to meet you, Scott. How long have you been blowing glass for?
19 years.
19 years. What did it like start as? College class or hobby?
Yeah, it was more of, I got a degree, but it's in biology, so
Okay.
go figure on that. But
Was it like an elective that you started it in college, or?
No, never took it in college because I went to a small liberal arts college and didn't have anything like this.
Sure.
Took some art classes, but my degree's in biology, and I taught school for a couple of years.
Do you do this full time now?
Oh yeah.
That's awesome.
Yeah, thanks.
Is there like glass, your stuff all over your house?
The stuff that's in my house, I have a lot of other people's work.
Yeah, for sure.
Because I look at my work long enough.
Yeah, it's
nice
like
to look at somebody else's. But the stuff that's in my house that's like my work is the stuff that I can't replicate. Things that happen and you're like,
whoa.
Wow.
That's like priceless too.
Yeah, right. Exactly.
That's
exactly.
awesome.
So those are the ones I keep. But
do you? What is the business model? You kind of travel around to stuff like this?
Yeah, I do shows across the country, but I do a lot of shipping, so I have a lot of galleries that carry my work. So
it's got to be expensive to ship.
It is, but
it's also
of bubbles. Expensive to travel and do shows.
Oh, totally.
So, yeah, it's just included in the price. And they're going to pay for it one way or another.
Where are you based?
Pretty well, Kansas.
Kansas. Oh, nice. Do you have? So you've got. What's your website?
Let me get your card.
Yeah, I'd love it. Cool. I'll give you my card as well. I make videos.
Cool.
I do like Facebook advertising and videos mostly. Videos are more fun. Facebook advertising is a little nitty gritty, pain in the butt stuff, but it gets the job done. I'd love to. I'm just kind of, as far as the video stuff, I'm just kind of building my portfolio right now. I'd be happy to do something for free. I don't know how long you're in the area for, but probably it looks like you're kind of traveling all around. But I'd love to connect.
Back pretty quick. But
cool.
I'll. Do you have?
I have an Instagram. It's the same thing.
Cool.
Just EP3 digital media. Yeah.
Cool. I'll check it out.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks.
Nice talking to you. How long have you been making glass for?
20 years.
20 years? More of like a hobby, or do you do other stuff?
What I do.
You travel around to this kind of thing? Mostly like Wisconsin area, or all around?
I go all over the country. There's a few good shows around here, but
Yeah. This is like the biggest one in this area, right? Is
the
Milwaukee?
biggest ones everywhere.
Really? Does Milwaukee have stuff like this?
They've got some shows, but none really worth doing.
Sure. Do you have like a website you sell this stuff on as well, or?
I do.
Beautiful. Do you have like a whole? What's your setup look like in Belleville?
It's got a hot shop. We put up a 40 by 60 foot pole barn. I put my hot shop in there.
Nice. Do you have like videos and stuff on your website? I do. Video? I'd be happy to do something for free for you. I'm just starting out, building my portfolio, just trying to meet people around here, see stuff that looks like, it's mostly everything here, but it's like, all right, I can tell you put so much work into this. I would love to like see the process and give you something that you can like, put out and show of that. So if you're interested ever, be happy to hear from you. Have a good one. Business cards. We gave out plenty of business cards. It was a different experience than I imagined. So first, we realized, hey, they're not selling produce and baked goods. This is art. And then I realized everyone at this thing, a lot of them are like traveling and are all around. So then I started looking at the booths of people in my actual area. And then it kind of narrowed down from there to people whose stuff I was actually interested in. And then I talked to those people, and I didn't get every interaction recorded, just because some people are like, oh, don't take photos of the art here, and some people, this is rogue. We're in the streets, man. You get what you get, all right? So some interactions went really well. The best going interactions we didn't capture them, but I'll keep you guys posted to all the work that comes from this, and I think it was a great experience. But I do definitely want to come back when it is actually like all farmers that are within 30 miles of here, and not people from Tennessee, from Miami, from California, from everywhere. But yeah, this was productive. I'm glad we did it, and I look forward to throwing this whole video together.